Okay, we're up to 10 days after the jaw reset and we're doing a check-in. So how's it going, Ross?
Excellent, really, really good. The last few days it was starting to come back a little bit more of a tickle. It was good, like straight away.
Yeah.
Then it's just sort of the last couple of days, but then like now it's nearly 2 weeks. I'm thinking it's amazing. Like I can't feel any lump in my throat. Like immediately there was no lump anyway.
Yeah, that was one of the main things, wasn't it?
Was.
That,
that I just felt this lump constantly in my throat, which meant that I felt like I had to clear my throat.
Yeah.
But there's no lump there now at all. So
okay. And this is after you've had all your scans and that, wasn't it?
Yes.
Previous to the jaw reset?
Yes, I've had tubes down my nose, ultrasounds, x-rays, everything, and cleared medically. There was nothing wrong at all. So I'm very, very happy. So
okay,
thank
cool.
you.
So now we've sort of come to the conclusion that it's probably the last little bit of it's just habit, isn't it? And they say 21 days to break a habit.
Yeah.
So we're now up to day 12 and to be honest, I haven't even heard you
no,
at
I
all.
haven't.
So that's a huge improvement to the other night.
That's what I was thinking. Now I'm catching myself thinking, am I just doing it because it's a habit?
Yeah.
So I'm just like, do I need to do that? So so hopefully.
Well done.
All good.
So guys, we might give you another video and hear the final, but I would say within probably the next 2 weeks she'd probably break that anyway.
Excellent.
All
Thank
right.
you so much.
Okay, cool.
Bye.
Bye.